Yes, H. She's saying H-I-J. H. I. H. H-I-J. K. L. Yes, M. N. O. P. What's that? Q. What's that? R. What's that? S. What's that? T. Good job. What comes after T? What comes after T? U. V. Yes. What comes after V? She knew this one earlier. What's this, Molly? What's up? Yay! W! W, X. Oh, good job. She didn't even see those. Y and Z. You know your letters of the alphabet. And what order they come in, some of them. Want to say hi, Grandma Val?
Hi, Grandma Val.
Yes. Want to say hi, Grandma Karen?
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Say, I love you.
Love you.
Oh, how perfect. Say, Jesus loves me.
Molly.
Yeah, Jesus loves Molly. She just came up with that on her own. Aren't you smart?
Love you.
Love you too. Did you get to see a rooster today?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Pig says oink. Yes, now I know what you're saying. Pig says oink.
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Pig says oink. What does a goose say? Goose says honk.
Pig. Oink.
Pig says oink. Oink, 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 oink. Yeah.
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. You got to pet a rooster. It was a little frightening for Mommy. A man came up holding a rooster and wanted Molly to pet it.
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. The roosters were crowing.
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, crowed the roosters. Did you see a monkey jumping around? Yeah. Show everyone where Molly's owie is. Where's Molly's owie? Where's Molly's owie? She's looking for one. Oh, there it is. Is it on your knee? Did you get an owie on your knee?
Owie. Mommy.
Yeah?
No, cat.
Oh, more potato salad?